the Palos Heights Public Library, and I'm showing you how to make this cute little sailboat craft today. You can stop by the library to pick up your supplies. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. So, you're going to get some popsicle sticks, and you're going to get a straw, and you're at home, and a piece of scrapbook paper. At home, you're going to need hot glue gun is preferred, but regular glue also works. You're going to need scissors, and you're going to need a hole punch. So the first thing you're going to do is lay your colored craft sticks side by side to make a rainbow. It could really be whatever you'd like it to be. I'm doing rainbow colors though. Just like that. Then you're going to cut 2 plain craft sticks, which you'll have in half. Be careful, these are a little bit tricky to cut. So it might actually take you a second to do that. But be very careful. Actually, I wonder if it's easier to break it. Yes, so if you start cutting it, start to cut it and then you could break it. That's actually a little bit easier. So I got it started on either side. Oop, that one it didn't break as well. I'm going to try one more. So if you start to cut, then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. That way you can get it started. It actually makes it easier. It's kind of difficult to actually cut them, but then it makes it easier to break them. So then you got some halves like that. So we're going to glue 3 of the halves to the back of the rainbow as a base. So I'm just going to show you kind of what that looks like. Kind of like that. So this is where like a hot glue gun is recommended, but if you don't have a hot glue gun, regular glue works too. And if you're using a hot glue gun, please be very careful because as the name suggests, the glue is hot. So putting my glue along the back here, just like that. And then, and hot glue actually does go glue down pretty quickly, so make sure you have it in the spot you want. Okay, so I have them in the spots I want. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 more popsicle sticks going lengthwise. So that's going this way. So I'm going to, this is to support our boat. I'm just doing some dots in the middle here so you can see that. And then I'm going to put my 1 craft stick down. You want to hold it for a few seconds too. Hold that for a few seconds so it looks something like this. Okay. So I'm going to let that dry for a second, and now I'm going to cut out a triangle using my paper here. And it can look something like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you need to draw out your triangle first, you can go ahead and do that. I was able to just cut it out. So it looks like this, something like this. And then we're going to punch a hole in the top and the bottom. So I got a little hole puncher to make it easier. Punch a hole there. So it looks like that. And we are going to cut our straw in half. You should have gotten a straw in your bag. Ouch, that hurt. So like I said, be careful with the hot glue. It does hurt. And then we're going to slide our paper straw into the triangle, the holes we made. So my straw is a little bit wider than my holes. There we go. So something like this. Oh no. Okay, so since the hole was actually, the straw is bigger than my hole, it kind of ripped it. But I'm going to just glue it and make it work. I can make this work. So I'm going to take a little dab of glue just to make that stay together. There we go. So we salvaged it. I just glued it like that. All right, so now finally we are going to put a big glob of glue on the top of our boat. So now our boat is hopefully dry. I'm going to flip it over. And you're going to put a big mound of glue, and then you're going to stick this into it. So this is like more glue than you would normally have been using. All right, so see my mound of glue. I'm going to hold my straw there for a bit until it dries. And if you find that it's not staying, you might need to add more glue, which I'm thinking I might need to because it's already kind of moving around. I will be back once this is staying. Okay, so I'm going to be completely honest with you and let you know that I could not get my sail to stay. It keeps wanting to tilt. Try to get in the view here. So I don't know if you can see that, but it keeps wanting to tilt over because it's top heavy. But I'm thinking once it's dry, you could use a little bit of tape and tape the bottom of this to get it to stay. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the program. I hope you stop by and pick up your supplies. One other thing, if you do plan on using your boat, make sure you play with it in cold water because it says that hot water will melt the glue and that will make your boat fall apart. But I'll see you next time in the library. Take care.